people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you the oils that you can mix to get rid of your stretch marks, be it pregnancy stretch marks, product stretch marks, any stretch marks that you have. This oil, when combined together, will help you to fade and also get rid of it gradually. And please, consistency is the key to it. So without wasting much that time, I will need an empty bowl, and I have my homemade aloe vera oil here. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin E and other minerals that is very good for the skin, which helps close down any skin breakage that may result from using product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 2 spoonful of my aloe vera oil. My next ingredient is castor oil. Yes, this is my castor oil that I have. It's good for the hair, the skin, and also which also hydrates and softens the skin, helps in moisturizing the skin as well. So I'm going to measure 1 spoonful of castor oil in addition. Castor oil is very good for fading stretch marks. So my next ingredient is almond oil. Almond oil is very good in nourishing the skin, promotes healthy skin looking. It is really good in fading. So I'm going to just half spoon. So now my next ingredient is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil is also very good in fading stretch marks. Half spoonful of it. Now it's left with my essential oils, and I have my lavender oil here from Himani, which is very good for stretch marks. So I'll need 4 drops. Maybe I'll just have to add a little. And what I have here is my peppermint oil. Yes, peppermint oil will help the blood circulation around the stretch marks area to fade and also promote nutrients to the breaking place. So that's what I have. Just a few drops of it. Please don't use too much because it is going to burn a little. And I have my homemade papaya oil here. Yes, which is very good for lightening any dark area around the stretch marks and also fade it. So I'm going to need this half full of it. So now make sure you stir it very well. Yes, you stir it very well. If you have any transparent container or any container that is good, you can use it to store it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it . Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. Yes, so with finished with the video today. You can apply this oil anytime you take your bath. That is twice a day. Yes, twice a day on your stretch marks, wherever you have your stretch marks, be it on the stomach, your arms, everywhere. Apply this oil to it and you see the difference. Please make sure you be consistent with the usage of this product. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up.